Okay, I think I screwed last time, so I would like to repeat it very quickly. Okay, so what needs to be done? Basically, what we are trying to do is we are trying to add the login. Okay, so we will go to p.visonet. Okay, and what we are trying to do is say I'm going to basically there are certain pages that we have already developed, right, and we would like to integrate it to the to our software, right? So what we need to do is, this is Visonet demo. You just we want to add the new pages over here. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is we have to go to the Visual Studio. Okay, open this and then do a find. Okay, no, I think I screwed it. 1 second, sorry. So you, whatever page, let's take one page, okay, as an example. So purchase goods. So we go here and say goods. Okay, and then do a find all. When we do a find all, we see that this particular page appears on certain places. First we will go to the backend master page. Okay, so you see over here, this is the backend master page wherein all the links are provided based on the menu, right? So say for example, we are in the service menu. So let's say CLVSE. Yeah, so when we are in the service view, we are able to see these three links. So in the service view there are three links, right? Similarly, if you go to the admin view, there are further 4 links. Similarly, if you are adding it to the maintenance view, this is something that you see over here, wherein we are having the purchase goods, you will be able to see the various links that we are able to see under the maintenance view. Okay, now what we are supposed to do is, if suppose we are adding a page called eat, so what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to go from in the alphabetical order, so A B C D E. Okay, and then you have A, so it should be before EN, so you have to put it over here. Okay, so what you will do, you will just copy this link, okay, over here, and then say F21 should be F22, and this all F22 to F whatever is there, F20. Okay, F33 will now to move up one step ahead, so it will be F34, right? So this is what you are supposed to do, and then you will say run at server href, the name of your page, so it should be some eat.axpx whatever, right? And then you will copy this class, the class remains same, and you will just name the label over here, so it will be eat, and then that should be it, right? So it's a list, so automatically it will come up, right? So once you do it over here, the list will appear. Then we have a second page called as a add user page. So in the add user page, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to go to the bottom. Okay, so you see over here we are having purchase goods as 26, number 26, right? So you have to go to the bottom, yeah, over here. Okay, so you are having 33 values, so just copy this, put it over here. Okay, put it over here and put it as um, um, 34 with eat34. These value will remain same. This will be server, this will be checkbox 36, right? Checkbox 36, then it will be, you can copy this. Actually he has missed, he has used it twice, but anyways, I don't want to make that change because I'll have to check it. So you take this checkbox 36, yeah, and then put type should be checkbox, data toggle should be toggle, data size should be mini, and this should be danger. Now if you see, what happens is this see this row over here that you see has how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are taking only 4 buttons at a time. So this one is having 1, right, 2 and 3. So you can add one more. If if you are having 2 pages, so you just copy this, paste it over here. Okay, so it will create another row, and then keep on adding the buttons. Okay, so where does this button appear? So if you go here, you know what this is, so I'm just getting out. I'm going over here. So in this, under the setup, if we go to add user, right, I can add a user name. Okay, say if I am adding a user, say this, in under the BizOnet demo, under as a super user. Okay, and I am giving any password for that matter. Yeah. So the password has been given. Now when you come over here, you will say admin view. Yes, I would like to activate the admin view, service view and maintenance view, and under admin view we are able to update the fields. So as I mentioned, four values per row. Okay, so you can add one more row. If not, if there are two, just copy the entire div and paste it over here. It will add another row. Okay, and similarly you have to give the access in this particular fashion. Whenever you give an access, yeah, whenever you give an access, the person who is entering will be able to see all these pages. Wherever you are putting it as off, the person will not be able to see this page. Okay, so this is what this add page is all about. So once this is done, then you will move to the actual page, purchase goods. Okay, now don't look at inventory. Actually he has not updated, like whoever has developed this page, he has not updated, he has just copied, but he has left updating this link. So I'm just directly going to the purchase good.axpx. In the purchase goods.axpx, you just copy this section. Okay, so I would suggest you copy from here to here. No, not from here to here, just copy this much. Okay, and make sure that you have the rest of the information already present over there. So that will complete the development of this page. Okay, and once that is done, you also go to, let's go to purchase purchase goods.ex. Okay, purchase good. No, okay, let us see what we have in purchase. So we have purchase good.axpx.cs. Why are they having this? So if you go here, make sure that you are having this logic wherein we are checking admin login.axpx, and we are also checking for the user type. I think that should be already present. I was thinking that user type. Yeah. So if it is having a user, automatically the user will go in and he will be able to see, depending upon the type of user, the information will be available to the login. Okay, so it has already been taken care of. So I think this should be enough for us to create. And if you see over here, you are able to see how the setup of user is done as well. Okay, so that also helps to complete the process. Okay, so I'll just stop the recording for now.